Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It is Lulu Cake and my sister's right here.
Hi.
Watermelon.
1935. You can friend me, just I don't like that many friends. Oh, and can you please subscribe to Sister Club? I mean, there's a million, but
Twinkling.
try to find mine.
Twinkling. I'm just kidding.
Just so you know. Okay, so what game are we playing today?
I can't find you.
Well, you gotta reload.
Jailbreak.
Okay. Go to jailbreak.
You join me because I can't find you.
Okay.
Hurry up, computer takes a long time to refresh.
What?
Refresh.
Refresh.
I want to eat another one of those animals. She's probably got to say no.
Okay, so hurry up.
Okay,
So I got to reload my page so I can actually get in. And I know what you're doing, so stop. And I'm probably gonna get in before you.
I was doing puppets with my hands.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, no, you're in before me.
Do I want to be a cop or a prisoner?
Prisoner!
Why?
So I can be one too.
Fine, but we have to steal a credit card. And there's no freaking cops here, so. There's only 2 cops. I want to be a cop now.
Oh my god.
You better make me.
Where are you? Oh, I'm right here. I'm
around the corner, and then I'll see you.
I'm just black. I'm great.
You're not supposed to say that.
I'm great. Wait for me to load.
Why are you being so racist?
Okay, am I there yet? No. Why?
A helicopter.
Right
there.
Help!
Ah! Bye, sister. She missed No! Don't come back for her.
I'm in. You left the one blonde girl.
Right beside a blonde girl.
Like one of those,
Oh my gosh, you better know how to drive this because I am not literally gonna jump out of here out of nowhere and I need to take these ragged old clothes off. Yay. Landed perfect. You just crashed.
someone's shooting at us.
Police! Police! Shoot. Go, 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 go! Really?
No.
I'm gonna get a gun. So, the plane crashed. Yep. I know what you guys are thinking. How did the plane crash? It's terrible. Driver here is going up in the sky. Running out of air. He's going up to the highest point.
This dude, he does not know how to drive.
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, he always, like, in the middle of nowhere.
Thank you.
In the middle of nowhere, he just lands. No!
We're gonna die either way.
Call on the propellers.
Helicopter, you better come save us.
Where are you?
I don't know! Well, frick that helicopter. It won't freaking save us.
I know, I'm already on the floor.
I'm not on the floor.
There's an alien spaceship. No. Cancel. No.
Where are you? Are you in the garage?
Look, I could have drove an alien spaceship. Look. Boy, it's right here. Like.
I just got wasted.
Boy, where are
you?
Dude. Okay, I'm in the helicopter. Come on.
Not in the helicopter.
Come on.
This dude. I have a freaking gun if you want to mess with me. Should I
He's
say that?
trying to let you
I
in.
am.
Go!
There.
Go! Hurry!
We need to find.
Choo-choo.
Never mind. Do not find the other girl
Yeah. No one likes
because she's in jail. And if we go back to jail, shut up, big sister.
Oh.
Did you tell me to shut up?
her. Dude, why we...
She's gonna give me a spanking.
Did you tell me to shut up?
Hey, what did I say about throwing the trash can? Just threw the trash can. Let's get these ragged old clothes off.
I'm looking for. Is you?
$1 million so you can sell and then you can shut your mouth.
Are you recording?
Buttholes.
Are you recording?
Why are you guys shooting at me? Wait a minute, is that my friend? Please don't tell me that's my
Are you
friend.
recording?
Yes! For
Oh,
Pete's sakes, I'm recording.
I'll put my headphones back in.
Ari, is my clothes off?
No.
Oh my gosh, I'm clicking too many.
Press the
Subscribe to
pants.
Firewish.
Don't.
And subscribe to PewDiePie.
Don't subscribe to her.
Subscribe to PewDiePie though.
PewDiePie?
She's a butthole.
PewDiePie good.
PewDiePie is a
PewDiePie
boy.
great. PewDiePie's better than T-Series.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
I'm
Come
staying.
on.
I'm staying here. I'm getting my own car. You guys can go.
That costs money though.
I don't care.
Oh my god, we're stuck. Like, look at me. I'm just like, hi. Come. He said come. I need to change my
Fine.
mind. Fine. Oh my.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
We're like at the water. I do not want to go in the water. Okay. Make me think it wants. You better not leave this game. 'Cause I need
Yeah, leave the game, bro.
How about I'll leave you?
So, you owe like $1,000. And I
Almost
have
6,000.
links. Do not look at that.
No!
What?
You did not.
He crashed it.
You did not.
Do you want me to come over there and pick you up? She would probably say no.
Sure.
What's this freaking thing?
Oh my god.
Can you
Press the gun first and then see.
gun? I'ma shoot you close. That's what I thought.
Oh my god.
Let's press it.
Oh my god.
It might have a hole in there, so if other people come, put their hanger right here, they will see the hole right there. And if they put that
I have
on,
50 cash.
I got 100 cash.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I
No,
did.
you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't. You're criminals.
Is the airplane up?
Nope.
I know where the museum is. Don't worry.
Oh my god, I will steal this car.
I'm coming.
It costs money. I'm staying
I wasted some of my money. Ah, watch it, little girl.
in. No, it's locked. Did he really lock it on me?
That's worth it. Okay, I'm coming to pick you up. Where are you?
I am at the museum.
I know where the museum is.
On the helicopter. Because this dude, for some reason, locked it. No, you do not.
That's how my big sister sounds like. She draws anime, so she draws really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
She's saying she doesn't because she draws horrible, but I think me and her think she draws good.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, of course. Hold up, Mr. Choo Choo Train!
His name is Mr.
No!
Okay, thank God
What?
it took off. I'm leaving you. There's a motorcycle. Costs
Oh, heck no. That costs so much money.
35.
Yes.
Oh my
Wait, I see a red
god.
yellow Bob.
Oh my god.
I see some people.
That's me. That's
Oh,
me.
No. Eee, frick you.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
There's no way you can go though. It's the edge of the world. Oh my god. Dummy. I see you. You're so tiny. You're at
Shut
a tree.
up.
You're at a tree. You are so tiny.
How about you? You're so tiny compared to me, too.
Are you sure? You don't even know where I am.
You're at the criminal side.
No.
Yeah, you're at the secret base.
This dude just left me.
Well, I'm not picking you up.
No, I'm in lava.
Ah!
That sucker.
She died, you guys. I'm not. Okay. Someone went up here, and no one else knows. What the heck?
I just called him an idiot. Stupid idiot.
Well, who was the one who jumped off?
No, I didn't jump off. He literally just let me go into the fudging lava. I
Into
want
the
to punch
fudging
him right
lava.
now.
Punch him right now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I want to kick him in the guts.
You're not supposed to say it on my YouTube channel.
Too bad. It's bad for you. You said a music thing on my channel. So, that's payback.
Then I will tell them not to subscribe to you.
I don't care. They'll probably subscribe to me anyway, because I'm better than you.
You heard that? She is a rat. You heard that?
You're a wreck.
She is saying that this YouTube channel is better than something else, and it's not. Well, it is
You
probably.
just got wrecked. Because your YouTube channel is
Your YouTube channel is dumb. You only have
mine's
2.
better than yours.
You only have 2 subscribers. I have 3. Well, I have 4
No, you don't.
because I told my big cousin to subscribe, and he did. So I have 4 subscribers more than you.
No!
See how proud she is.
They can't even see you. Haha.
And then she
hear
had
you.
just hit me on the freaking arm, and now I'm moving away from her. So no one can hear her. No one can hear me.
Haha, they can still hear me.
I think I'm gonna get run over by the choo-choo train.
Over by...
All right. Do you want me to pick you up or no?
Yes.
Where are you?
I'm in jail.
What are you doing there?
Because this sucker put me in jail. I don't know her name. Wait, let me see. Let me see. Let me see the police.
Yeah,
It was a girl and it had like two things in her name.
Toothy?
No.
Toothy?
Go
Teeth?
down. Go down. With your mouse. That's not a mouse.
Oh, you
That's
want
a
me to catch a
mouse.
really mouse?
No. She's stupid, by the way.
I'm not stupid. You're
Then
stupid.
why don't you even know what I say?
You said a mouse instead
I
of a
said-
mouse.
I said a mouse. That's a mouse.
Ah! She dropped her phone.
Oh, do you want me to hit your laptop?
Well, that's it for you guys because it's on freaking 14:24,
Why?
and we have to finish it on
Oh.
15 minutes because that's a freaking ripoff. So,
Dude,
bye guys.
Dude, you better let me in.
Flip the car.
You
Bye
better.
guys.